Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Idiot.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's got the jack, yeah.
Well,
You should have moved over. If you're gonna move over, he's gonna go in there. Hey, look what he's doing.
oh.
They got it on dash, yeah. That's even better. Oh, it's pop smoke and takeoff. Oh my god. Car ahead. Oh my god, dude, are you serious?
I got water like an ocean, they ain't see that. And then she cheated on my ribs and they messages. But they ain't wanna be like Lucy. In my hood, we just buy.
Moment is to what degree the IDF coordinated with Egypt and the Egyptian military prior to their move on the Rafah crossing, establish a buffer zone along their border. The Putin regime has been intensifying attacks throughout Ukraine in recent weeks, both on the ground and with regular. Putin is trying to press his advantage over the outside Ukrainian military before international allies can help Kyiv restock their weapons.
Move your ass.
You do.
You okay? You're okay. You're okay.
Niggas know that I still in the game that I will. Went to Solomon, I got to take my 600 on. I'm I made like a bull like me. Really happy to see it. Now that stuff started happening, 6 months later, I'm rich.
What was that?
I'm at 50. That's good. I bet you're not. I bet you think it's fun. I've been on the typing team for a while.
Oh, hit run.
You want to typing team or typewriters?
No. Oh, caught that on camera.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, I dropped this.
Free bike.
Wow.
Oh, cop! What are you doing?
No, we're gonna wait here.
Yeah.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.